Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the essentials of using the GE Matrix, also known as the GE McKinsey Matrix. We'll discuss its benefits, how to use it effectively, and share some real-life examples. For a deeper dive, check out the link in the description below for our detailed article. So what is the GE Matrix? The GE McKinsey Matrix is a strategic framework that helps multi-business corporations manage their portfolios and prioritize investments across products and strategic business units, or SBUs. Think of it as a tool that helps you figure out where to invest, what to develop, and what to let go. The GE Matrix evaluates SBUs based on two critical factors: the strength of a particular business and the attractiveness of the industry. By scoring these factors, the matrix helps portfolio managers make informed decisions about resource allocation. The y-axis measures industry attractiveness, scoring it as low, medium, or high. A higher score places an SBU higher in the matrix. The x-axis, on the other hand, indicates the SBU's strength, moving from high to low. The matrix is divided into three strategic paths. First, we have the invest and grow category, represented in green. These are the SBUs with strong performance in attractive industries, and they're ready for growth. Next, there's the selectivity/earnings category, shown in orange. These SBUs need a more conservative approach because their performance isn't optimal, or they operate in less attractive industries. Finally, we have the harvest and divest category in red. These are the SBUs that should be closed, run for cash, or selectively harvested. Now, let's walk through the steps to use the GE Matrix effectively. First, determine the industry attractiveness of each SBU. Calculate the market attractiveness in which each SBU operates. Score the SBU's industry attractiveness by looking at factors like market size, industry profitability, market growth potential, industry segmentation, market profitability, differentiation, market growth rate, and the level of competition. Next, assess the competitive strength of your strategic business units. Evaluate each SBU's competitive position by considering factors such as sustainable competitive advantages, brand equity, customer loyalty, market share, internal competencies, strength of the value chain, production capacity, product lines, pricing and cash flows, and profit margin compared to competitors. Then plot the values for each SBU on the GE Matrix. Use the market attractiveness score to plot your y-axis position and the business strength score to plot your x-axis position. After plotting, analyze the matrix to identify the future direction of each strategic business unit. The GE Matrix provides a view of the current state of business units in a portfolio, but doesn't account for other variables that may impact a business's viability. Use different strategic analysis tools such as SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 forces, or PESTLE analysis to gain a comprehensive understanding. Once you have a picture of your portfolio mapped out on the GE Matrix, decide where to invest and focus your attention. Answer critical questions like how much money to allocate to specific business units, alignment with long-term strategy, and which parts of a business unit to invest in. Finally, it's time to turn those insights into actionable plans. With a clear direction and new priorities, you should develop a strategic plan to achieve your goals. This is where a strategy execution platform like Cascade can be a game changer. With Cascade, you can centralize your strategy, plan, execute, and track everything in one place. This ensures that your plan derived from the GE Matrix delivers tangible business results that are fully aligned with the company's high-level strategy. Interested in seeing Cascade in action? Sign up today for a free forever plan or book a guided tour with one of our strategy experts. You can find the links for those options in the video description below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. Until next time!